Let's face it, we all get mad when people in our lives make stupid mistakes. Whether it is at home, the office, or even a complete stranger, we all make mistakes. However, it's often much easier to point out the mistakes of others than the mistakes of our own doing. What's worse is when smart people make stupid mistakes. If you are the smart category, it can be super embarrassing when you make stupid mistakes in public. Why do smart people make stupid mistakes? A research says that people make mistakes primarily because of these seven reasons: stress, rushing in or creating a sense of urgency, giving too much information, concerned with fitting in the norm, fixed on a specific outcome, being outside their comfort zone, or being in the presence of an authoritative figure. Let's look at stress. We've all been there. If you're stressed, it's easy to make mistakes. To help reduce these mistakes, spend some time meditating, creating a set of morning rituals so that you can plan your day more effectively, and do some deep breathing exercises. Less stress will help you make fewer dumb mistakes, but it will also help you live longer. Remember, less stress equals longer life. Rushing. Think back to the last time you went rushing out the door trying to make it to work on time. It's really easy to leave your notes for your work presentation or forget to bring your lunch. Minimize rushing by making sure you're getting up earlier, creating a schedule for the day, and maximizing the time you get each morning. Rush less to do more. Giving too much information. We are being bombarded with information everywhere we go. There's never been more information on every single subject ever. But sometimes too much information makes life harder rather than easier. Instead of looking for another book or another how-to guide, filter out the information coming in and focus on your most important tasks of the day. Smash that out and the rest of the day is just going downhill. We all are concerned with fitting in with either our friends, either at work, or any social setup. Most people want to fit in and be accepted by others too much. Instead, be bold enough to be yourself. Not only will you attract the right people into your life, you'll be much happier. Being fixed on a specific outcome. Sometimes we want a specific result, and when something else happens, we get flustered and make stupid mistakes. Don't be so concerned with the outcome, and instead, focus on getting it right. Even if the outcome isn't as originally desired, you will still be happy that you've not made any stupid mistakes. Well, being out of your comfort zone is kind of uncomfortable. Almost always, you have to leave your comfort zone for growth. But if you find yourself doing it too frequently and not being able to be confident with your skills, mistakes are bound to happen. While you shouldn't avoid the comfort zone, make sure you're prepared for every eventuality each time you do something outside your zone. Being in the presence of an authoritative figure. The easiest example is having a cop car following you on the road. It's natural for people to make stupid mistakes that they wouldn't normally make. Quit letting authoritative figures bother you. Quit letting them intimidate you. Take a deep breath, relax, and I'm confident you will avoid making a stupid mistake that could cost you. Remind yourself of everything you've overcome so far to get to this point. This is nothing. Remember, making mistakes is a part of life. Don't beat yourself up. If you find yourself making the occasional mistake, it's a human trait that every single person possesses. But if you find yourself making them a habit, try to identify if one of these seven causes is the reason, and then work on eliminating it from your life for more consistency. Remember, these 7 mistakes can either make or break your life.